Okay, so you probably clicked on this video because you don't know what type of fashion company that you want to start. Don't worry, I got you. What type of fashion company should you start? We're about to find out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Takara, or you can call me Teeks. It is whichever one that you guys would prefer to call me. And welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Back. I got that from Nasir. I love him so much. I love his channel. If you clicked on this video, hello darling. You just came to the most magical place on YouTube. No, for real. If you clicked on this video, you've probably been confused on what type of fashion brand or fashion company that you want to start. And so today I'm going to be giving you some categories and ideas on types of fashion brands and companies that you can start. I got you, homegirl, homeboy. I got you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Click that red subscribe button and become a part of the Teacup fam. We upload here daily, so you definitely don't want to miss out on the content. Grab you that information. Like grabbing all that info, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. There you go. Okay, so if you're somebody who is kind of like confused all over the place, you're just like, oh, what? You don't know what type of fashion company that you should start. You're not really too familiar with the fashion industry. You don't really know the terms or the ins and outs. You kind of just like, well, I want to do fashion, but I don't know what category I fit in. So if you want to have a fashion company, but you don't have a background in fashion, but you want to join the industry, I'm going to help you to decide on what kind of line that you want to create for your company. Hopefully this clears the air and helps you get an idea or like a concept of what you want to do. This list, hopefully it helps you out. So let's go. Number 1, ready to wear. Ready to wear like this. Ready to wear like this, like ready to wear out of my closet. What is that? Ready to wear is also known as off the rack. Ready to wear, literally. It's ready to wear. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, there's nothing too complex about ready to wear. These are the clothes that are often sold as wholesale. You'll see in your retail stores, that is sold through stores, all of that great magical stuff. If you shop online or anything like that, that is what ready to wear is. This type of clothing doesn't usually need certain modifications for a particular client or customer. They can just be worn straight off of the hanger, off the rack. So yeah, that's pretty much ready to wear. So if you've kind of been thinking, oh yeah, I think I want to do ready to wear, then ready to wear is for you, boo boo. Okay, so I know you're probably thinking, well, who do I target? Well, like I said before, ready to wear is like a general market, so you don't really have a specific target audience. So these pieces should basically be for anyone who wants to wear them. Usually ready to wear is a little bit cheaper, but there are bigger brands like Chanel and Dolce & Gabbana, brands like that who also develop ready-to-wear collections. So luxury brands also produce this type of clothing as well. So it doesn't just have to be cheap products. Luxury brands can do this as well. Number 2, couture, darling. Couture. Couture. Missing my jala. I'm wearing couture. Couture. Not contour. Couture. I'm dead. Okay, so what is couture? This is the complete opposite from ready to wear. So get out of the ready to wear stage. These clothes are made to measure, so they fit this client's specific measurements. They're custom made. So that means it's being made and measured to like fit really well and tailored for that client or celebrity or whoever you're designing for. And it's gonna be like special made, like everybody's not going to have it. So I mean, they're like usually couture pieces, there's only like maybe a few pieces that are sold, but usually this is like custom made. And when you have couture pieces, you always see, I don't know if you guys have ever seen like those behind the scenes like Chanel, where they say like the making of this dress, like this glamorous type dress, and you see like so many designers coming together, or seamstresses coming together just to make that one like really custom made dress, that's usually couture. It's really skillfully designed and it's really high quality. Who is the target market for this? Who's the target audience? Well, usually these pieces are made for, like I said, celebrities or people who just have that money. They can just throw their money they can just throw their money away if they want to. That's the type of customers that you're gonna see buying couture pieces. Ain't nobody on the street gonna be buying couture, darling. Number 3, streetwear. What is streetwear, you ask? This is personally one of my favorites. I really like streetwear clothing. I don't know, I'm just really into streetwear, and you can kind of like merge streetwear with, I guess you would say, kind of like ready to wear. But this specific type of style is usually associated with like maybe like I would say maybe like Nike or like surfwear, or that really grunge looking streetwear, street culture. When I think of streetwear, I think of like Tupac, Aaliyah. Like they really wore like streetwear clothing back in the 90s. Like that's just who I think of when I think of streetwear. This type of clothing is usually like super casual, comfy, baggy, like just not really baggy, but just casual, comfy, on the go. This trend has turned into like activewear as well. So I don't know, I like streetwear. I like streetwear. So who do you target when you're doing streetwear? This style is so like versatile. Like I said, I have seen celebrities wear it before. Street style, streetwear, it's kind of like similar to each other, but you usually see this type of style among people like us. If you're a millennial, younger, like a younger audience, teens, maybe people in their 20s, a lot of us like to wear that kind of like streetwear. I'm really into streetwear, so I'll be a girl right here. Y'all see, I like to like mix and do stuff like that. And last but not least, number 4, we have the Capsule collection. What is the Capsule collection? Basically, the Capsule collection is those pieces that are like timeless and classic, and you can switch them in and out. You can wear them with different things. They're like the staples in your closet. But when you design a capsule kind of like wardrobe or collection, each piece that you design can be styled with the other pieces within your collection. So that's what they like to say, like the Capsule collection. And these are also pieces that can be included in anyone's closet that like people really need within their closet, that will last them for more than just a week. And there are a lot of like luxury and high-end designers who have gotten to this trend of creating the Capsule collection. So it's definitely something that you can think about. Yeah, definitely something to think about when you're designing. Okay, so you're probably wondering, well, who do I target? Do I target a younger audience, an older audience? Well, this can be targeted towards people who are like really professional. Like I said, professionals who want to still be stylish, but they need those different pieces that they can swap in and out with the other designs within your collection. Just having those interchangeable pieces. I keep doing this, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Now you can sell these pieces like on the higher end or the lower end. So like I said, H&M does have like the Capsule collections, but you know, you do have the higher end points where you can get those staple pieces for a lot more, and it's gonna last you a lot more. So I think just producing something that's high quality is better. But like I said, there are places like H&M and stuff who do sell Capsule collections as well. So you could that's kind of just something to keep in mind when you're designing, to get kind of like that inspiration from. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys learned something from it. Maybe this will give you an idea of where you want to take your fashion line, what type of company that you want to start. Drop a comment in the comments below which one of these companies, which category are you in as far as when it comes to designing for your brand and for your company. Which route are you thinking about taking now that you kind of have an idea of the different, I guess, categories there is for having a fashion brand. So that is it, you guys. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you won't miss out on the daily uploads that I do here on Takara ONEA, on the Takara ONEA channel. You can also share this video because that helps me out a ton, and it helps us to find more like-minded people like us so that we can all come together and we can grow and learn together and share information together to, you know, get to the top in the fashion industry, you heard? So yeah, if you want to keep up with me anywhere else, I have all of my social media links in the description box below, and all the other info is in the description box. Also, before you go, make sure that you click the link in the description box and go purchase some of my Takara ONEA merch. I have See You at the Top hoodies and See You at the Top tees. So definitely don't miss out on pre-ordering your merch because it's only going to be up. Those designs are only going to be up for a limited time, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So that is it. I am done talking. I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Bye.